Hi mga gala, Judy here. So in this video, I'll be talking about how I created this book. So this one is a vocabulary list book. It is still in the draft stage. I think it's smaller than A5 size. This is still a draft. So I've been doing a lot of changes on this one and updating the formatting and all. So this is actually the list. Here I'm using Excel to do all this. It is actually easier to do it in Excel. And yeah, this is the working file, and this is I'm going to add some test worksheets. So these are the answer sheets of each lesson, of each vocabulary list. So yeah, that's what I am doing right now. As you can see, also the postcard that I made, I'm not so sure if I will include this in the learning kit box. So I am still contemplating if I'm going to include this. I'm not so sure. What do you think, guys? Later on this afternoon, I'll be printing another draft of this one so that it will be easy for me to do the proofreading. So I still have to proofread each words here and double check if everything is correct and all. So since this is manually handmade, there might be some imperfections here and there. So but I always try my best to give you the best products, the best Bisaya products that I can provide. So yeah, so this is not the same anymore. I put everything in a table because this one is more organized than just doing like this. So, mga gala, time check, it's already 10 p.m. So currently, I am finishing the worksheet of this book. So this book actually has a vocabulary list of words, phrases, and sentences, and I have decided to add a worksheet wherein you guys can test yourself using the worksheet. So these worksheets have answer sheets as well. So each topic here has a worksheet and a test answers. So that you guys can check your answers if it's right or wrong. It's gonna be a long night tonight. I need to finish this. This is supposed to be done. My target is actually today to finish it, to finish everything. But it seems that it's just too many things to do. I did some errors here and there. I have to redo all my work. So this is a trial and error doing this kind of project. So yeah. So right now I'm already halfway through. So hopefully I'll be able to finish before 2 a.m. Hopefully. So my gala, right now it's already about 12:50 a.m. So I couldn't finish the whole thing. I'm starting to get sleepy. I will finish this tomorrow, so I'll be waking up a bit late tomorrow. So I will finish the worksheet. Yeah, I should be able to finish the worksheet tomorrow early morning, right after breakfast. Yeah, so now I have to sign off for now. Good morning, mga higala. So today is the morning of June 16, Thursday. So right now I am finishing basically the common phrases book, aka notebook, spring-bound notebook. I didn't finish it last night. I actually stopped working around 1 a.m. because I'm already very sleepy and hungry. So I have to stop and rest. So now I am getting back on it and finalizing everything. Hopefully by tomorrow I'll be able to produce one final notebook. I'm just double checking the format and the layout, making sure everything is in place. And now after this one, I will start printing a final notebook of the vocabulary list, words, phrases, and sentences notebook. Okay, so yep, so I'll be printing in a while. So I've tried printing the first 6 pages. So this is the worksheet. So mga igala, so this is the second draft version of the vocabulary list notebook. And what happened, you know that I'm using Quizlet, mga higala. So in the Quizlet printing test option, I printed their test basically a test paper. I printed it, and then I realized that the font is too small. For me it's okay because I can see these letters, but what I'm worried about are my other students and might have a problem with reading small letters. So this is really, I don't know with you guys, so this is how small it is. Okay, and then as you can see from the other test, from the other test papers that I printed, look at this one, it's getting tinier. You can see that. So the font, for me, I can still clearly see it, but yeah, I'm worried about other students who will be using this one that has eye problems, reading this kind of the size of the font. So I have to redo everything and have to manually input them in the Excel file. This is what I did here. So I have to remake and put it in Excel file so that I can print it in a bigger font. So this is now the format and layout that I did. So as you can see here, you can clearly read those letters, those words. And like this one, as you compare it, look how small these fonts that I printed from the Quizlet application. So hope you can see the difference. Yeah, so that's how small the font in the font size that I printed from Quizlet. And since the printing option in Quizlet application is that I cannot change it. I can change the font size, and it has, if I want to change the font size, I have to print it in an A4 or a letter size bond paper. But what I plan to do is put the worksheet in one place, in one notebook, together with the vocabulary list. So since I don't have any control of the font and how it should appear on the notebook, so I have to redo everything and put it in an Excel file. So this is now the final look of the worksheet. At least it is uniform with the layout and the format and the font. You can clearly read it. Okay, so yeah, that is the boo-boos along the way in making this notebook. So mga higala, ready na ko mag-print. So let's print this test worksheet and vocabulary list. The flashcards here that I will include in the learning kit. So the flashcards will be like this. They are very cute. I actually find it very I don't know, I find it very cute having this kind of size. So it's like this is how big it is, like this. So it is like a wallet size, I would say, or a pocket size flashcards. It's not so big, it's so light, and I edited some of the text here so that it will be easy to read there. So I find this very cute. Hi mga gala, maayong buntag. So today is Saturday, June 18. So karon nagtiwas ko. I'm finishing the language planner here. So this will be done today. I'm just finalizing the printout so that I can show it to you guys the final the final look of the planner. So my plan for the planner is to have a cover page that has um, the title My Bisaya Language Journey, and I can actually put your name here, personalize, so I can put your name here. So that's one thing. Okay, so mga igala kani siya, this one is actually the draft version of the language of the learning kit. Okay, so in this learning kit I will actually put this notepad here. Okay, that has buhaton on, that means to-do list, and we have here some stickers, proverb stickers that has Bisaya and English, and this one, a label. This one is stairs hagdanan. You can actually stick this one near your stairs, that you can easily see this. So every time you go past your stairs, you can, whenever you read this, it will stick to your vocabulary, and hopefully it will not go away easily. But this one, so these are actually waterproof stickers. Okay, that one. Aside from that, I have this one, the book, the note, basically the book notebook, the vocabulary list. It's also part here, and that's one thing. Yeah, so here in this learning kit, we have I'll show it to you guys. We have the language planner there, and then this notepad, waterproof stickers there, and I got this vocabulary list, and I will also include these flashcards. These are very cute in actual, guys. I really like how it turned out. It's very handy, it's very portable. You can actually put this in your pocket if you want to. There, that's that one. And I also plan to put maybe one or three postcards. I'm not sure, you guys, if you like the postcards. This one, I designed this one, but I designed this one in Canva, and that one. And aside from these flashcards, the verb flashcards, I plan to add the pocket size version of the opposite words as well. So I still have to check if I can actually add this in the box. Hi mga gala. So karon, today is now karon is the afternoon, Saturday afternoon. I am finalizing these opposite words. I actually changed the font because I will be making it like this size. It's a pocket size. I really find this very cute. Maybe because this is something new to me, it's really, really cute. Yeah, so I have to change the font here and make it readable. So make it bigger so that it will be easy to read. This is the last, I think this is the last product that I should include in the learning kit. So I'm printing the pages of the vocabulary list, and in here I'm already clearing up some of the leftover paper. So this one I will make some tickler notepads, and this one is a divider that will be included in the vocabulary list notebook. So as you can see, I already punched this, to see if it will fit on the, to see if the hole will be okay, and so far it is perfect. So I still have to cut some of these sides here. So I will put here worksheet and answers, or worksheet or and test answers. This is just to divide the vocabulary list from the worksheet. So I made it like this so that it will be lighter. So it will be lighter on the shipping, because I'm targeting the shipping box will be less than 1 kg. I don't want to what's this? I don't want to go beyond 1,000 grams or 1 kg, because that will really cost a lot of money in shipping. So that's why I made it like this. Yeah, so here, this is for the postcards. I already cut them, and the cover page I already cut them, so that tomorrow I will be just printing them. And these are the pocket size laminating film. Yeah, laminating film. So as you can see, I have this one here, and this one is for this size. So there. So this one is already prepared. I still have to punch holes on these laminating films. Yeah, as you can see, this is the pocket size. So in the box, part of the box are the verb root words and the opposite words there. This is back-to-back print. So why I do you know why I really want you guys to learn the root words? Because the root words of verb root words actually is, even if you don't know the conjugation, if you know the root words, so for times like you need to talk, by knowing the root words, you can at least somehow get to express your thoughts, as long as you know the verb root words. If you don't know the verb conjugation, the verb root words is very, very helpful. Okay, so that's why this is a very basic, know the verb root words. So because the root words are actually the core in verb conjugation. So yeah, that this is actually the learning kit which I am completing. So stay tuned for my announcement for the launching of this learning kit. So this will be on a pre-order basis. So when I say pre-order basis, it's you have to prepay the learning kit if you want to order it. So stay tuned for my announcement on that one. So I'm so excited to launch this learning kit. So it's been I think it's been 3 weeks or 4, yeah, it's been 3 weeks or 1 month in the making to make this learning kit, mga higala. So I hope you guys will support me on this endeavor. Okay. Hi mga higala, mayong buntag. So today is June 20th, Monday. As you can hear, that's the machine. I'm doing some printing for the creation of the book. So right now I'm doing some bookkeeping and issuing of receipts. As you know, Cebuano 101 is now a business, so I have to do yeah, the adulting part. The issuance of receipts, the bookkeeping, maintenance of the books, and paying my taxes quarterly and annually. So yeah, I just wanna give a shout out to some of my patrons. Okay, I wanna say hi to Mariesca Lozada, hello, and who else? Lensei Shipard, hello, mayong buntag, and Bart Vamos, mayong buntag as well. Also Albert, hello Albert Fanner, and last one, maybe I'll give Jacob Lumberson. Mayong buntag kaninyong tanan. And daghang salamat sa inyong suporta for being with me for the past, I would say, more than a year. Some of you are with me for like 3 years, 4 years or more. So daghang salamat sa suporta. You guys helped me building my career. Um, yeah, basically my I like teaching Bisaya Cebuano to all of you guys. So you guys have helped me build this career as I like to teach and create Bisaya lessons. So yeah, so that's for this morning. And currently now I am, while doing the bookkeeping, I'm printing the back side of the vocabulary list. And then I realized this one is a bit too low. I still have to cut the pages up to this about an inch from the bottom, and then I forgot I placed the logo at the bottom here. So nevertheless, I can still use these cardstocks. So later this afternoon, I will go to the post office and verify the measurement of the learning kit and check some information that I have, because I have a lot of questions about the shipping. So I have to go back there. I actually went there already last 2 weeks ago, and I just asked some very vague questions when I went there. So now that I have more detailed questions, I will go back there and ask these questions about the shipping fees. Is it door to door? How many days, especially right now due to a lot of worldwide problems. So I need to check with them so that I can give you a more accurate information on when the package will arrive and how much is the actual shipping fee or close to the actual shipping fee, because I don't want to overprice or underprice the shipping fees. So yeah, so I need to settle that one maybe later this afternoon. So for this morning, I will be finishing the bookkeeping, the issuance of receipts, and some of the printing. Yep. What I'm doing right now is setting up the shipping rates for the site. I will be using the post office registered mail because it is more reasonable, and then the price is way cheaper. So I will be using the Philippine Post service because they are the cheapest out there, mga higala. Sila ang pinaka-barato. So they are the cheapest out there. Hi mga higala, Judy here. So I just came from the Philippine Post Office, and unfortunately, they only have, for the express mail, they only have Canada, Canada, Japan, and the USA. These are the countries that they have the express mail service. So that's gonna be around 2 to 3 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks delivery lead time. The rest are non-priority mail, so they are considered as registered mail. And because of what's happening around the world, the delivery lead time is 1 to 2 months. Oh my goodness, 1 to 2 months. I don't know if so that's it for today, June 21st. So they actually give me a new list of the Philippine Post staff there gave me a new list, the new pricing, which is not available yet on their website. So good thing they gave me this one. So I have to re-encode everything, the rates, just to make sure that I don't overprice and underprice the shipping fees. I don't want to overprice you guys, and I also don't want to underprice because that will mean a loss on my part. So yeah, that is not sustainable if I get a lot of losses. Hi mga gala. So now it's already nighttime, June 21st. I found another shipping courier, which is the name is JRS Express. Luckily, I remembered them, and when I checked their website, they just relaunched their website, which is so amazing because I it's like just today they relaunched their website and I was able to check the rates, and the rates that they were offering international shipping for 1 kg, um, it is actually reasonable and way cheaper than other international couriers. So it's the rates are actually closer to the Philippine Post, which made me so happy. So now I'm gonna be using JRS Express for my international shipping, especially for the learning kit. For the 1,000, for the items below 1,000 grams, I will use the Philippine Post. As I've said, the Philippine Post right now, I will be using registered mail for below 1,000 kg. No, 1,000 grams or 1 kg. So so unfortunately, due to what's happening worldwide, the registered mail is it's the delivery lead time is going to be 1 to 2 months. Okay, just want to let you know, guys, about that. So 1 to 2 months for the registered mail. Those items below 1 kg. For 1 kg, I will be 1 kg and above. I'll be using the JRS Express, which the delivery lead time is 7 to 10 days. That's really really good already. So mga igala, this learning kit is going to be a pre-order basis for now, since this is a new product, this is a new physical product. I don't know how many will order this learning kit. So it would be best that you guys will, for those who are really interested in the learning kit, it would be best that you guys pre-order it. And that means if I say pre-order, you also pay the learning kit and the shipping rates as well. So I hope you guys will understand that this is going to be a pre-order basis, so that because I don't know how many of you guys will order. I don't want to have a lot of inventories, and I don't want to deal with the inventory problems later on. So yes, that's all for today, mga higala. Hope you are going to support me in this adventure, in this endeavor that I created. As you can see, I did a lot of overtime for this learning kit. So yeah, that's all, mga higala. Dagang salamat, and please stay tuned in for the launching of the learning kit. Bye, amping!